Hello everyone. Good morning. We will wait for other people to come, then we will start. Okay. Meanwhile, you can tell me if you can hear me properly. In the chat, I will enable the chat. Okay. So if you have any problem during the session, you can just let me know in the chat. All right. And you are muted by default. Okay. So we will start on 12 sharp. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. It's right on time, 12 p.m. Okay, so many people have joined. Let me open my screen. Okay, I will share my screen with you. So last time हमने कुछ चीजें देखी थी, right? This is not your first lecture. Last time we have talked about the robotics. You must have saw some videos also, right? There were few robots like Osimo, Altas, now, right? So basically today what we are going to do, because it's been like a couple of months, we will just recap whatever we have studied really fast, and then we will see about the brain of our robot, which will be Arduino. Okay. So I will share my screen. Okay, now you should be able to see my screen. Okay. So before that, like if you have any curiosity, what exactly we are going to do? Okay. So we are going to use a simulator to work on our Arduino. Okay. You will see what is Arduino, what is all in that. So like we will use Tinkercad. Okay. It's a simulation software where we'll be using to do simulation on whatever project we want to work on. Okay, you don't have really to like understand it as of now. I'm just showing you what kind of projects you are going to do. Okay, so something like this. Okay, this is one of the projects I have taught to other students. ये मैंने कुछ students को पहले पढ़ाया था. You will see. Okay. So this is the simulation area. वही हम लोग देखेंगे कि simulation का क्या meaning होता है and why we use this and all those things. So if I start the simulation, you can see the motor is moving and the distance is less. Okay, the distance is less, motor is moving, and if the distance is too much, motor will stop moving. Okay, motor stop moving. Something like this. We will see about this. I just wanted to show you. This is a simulation platform where we will be building a robot. Okay. सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ये आ रहा था कि सर we will like study about the robotics, but how we are going to make it, right? So we are going to make it using this simulation software. And also when your school open up, you will have chance to work on real hardware also. So let me close it and go back to our presentation. Okay. So we have talked about the robotics. Okay. You know also me. My name is Vivek. I am from Tech Product School of Robotics. We are from IIT Patna. We are situated in IIT Patna. We work on robotics education field. We teach students robotics, how they can learn robotics, because robotics is more than hype, but it is very easy to understand at small level also. Then we also work on product development. We have developed several products for our clients, and we have headquarter in Patna, and we are working in other states also. Okay. So about the robotics, the first thing is let's just recap everything. I know आप लोगों ने सब ये देखा हुआ है, but it's been a lot of time, right? Okay, 55 people are there, and Okay. Okay. So see, what is robot? Okay. So आप सभी ने robot तो देखा ही होगा. You have talked about the robot, right? You have seen the robot in movies. So something like this you have imagined, right? अगर अब हम रोबोट की बात करते हैं तो हमें क्या दिखता है? हमें एक फेस दिखता है, फिर उसमें आंखें दिखती है, राइट? Then we see the body and we also see hands, right? And leg, of course. Leg इसका कट गया, लेकिन something like this. A human shape हम देखते हैं, right? एक human shape हमें दिखाई देता है. And इसके examples आपको पता ही है, okay? Like we have talked about this last time. जो रजनीकांत रोबोट थे, right? चिट्टी रोबोट. Then in Transformer we have robot. Then Iron Man is also a robot, right? आयरन मैन में जो जारविस था, राइट? जारविस जो उन्होंने बनाया था, विजन, वो भी एक रोबोट है, राइट? जो इनका एआई था उसको उन्होंने एक बॉडी दे दी थी. सो एनीवेज, मैसेज आते हैं. ओके ओके मैम, आई विल मेक यू होस्ट. ओके ओके मैम, यू आर को होस्ट नाउ. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस. ओके, stop this.